the LG V20 user here, and today I'm doing an unboxing of a Bluetooth game controller I got on Amazon. So I got this today on Amazon. I ordered it Tuesday and I got it today. It was $25.99 plus Prime shipping. So it's the Raytan Bluetooth wireless controller here, ZM-X6. It supports Android, iOS, Windows, and telescopic stand or whatever, and has multimedia functions. So that's pretty dope. It's also in Chinese as well. I wasn't expecting that. So that's what it looks like. I got the black version. It just says wireless controller. And I just tells you guys some stuff right here. It's also in English and Chinese. I wasn't expecting it to be in Chinese, but it is what it is. It's available in full colors. You got black and white and blue and red. I got the black one there. I do like this controller a lot. So let's go check it out and see what it looks like, shall we? I was on the thing ordering this thing, and it said it supported PS3. I don't think it does. I have a PS3. I got that, and voila. That's what you get. You guys get this. Check it out, this fucking plastic shell there. You guys get the instruction booklet. It's just in Chinese, yo. What the hell? Oh, it's in English and Chinese. English and Chinese. So read English. This is a controller. Feels really nice in the hand. I do like the controller. I like the grippiness here. It feels nice. Clicky buttons here. You guys will notice there is some buttons there on the top. You guys have buttons for turbo, start, and select. On the left, on the right side, you guys got new, arcade, and Android. I guess arcade is iOS, so I'm not sure what new is. This is the thing you open to do the thing. It also has a home button right there at the center. You put your phone in this thing. Let me zoom out again, sorry. Put your phone in this thing, and they can go up like that. You put your phone in, and it'll come down on your phone. It'll lock your phone in place. So yeah, and you guys have a Bluetooth. You guys have a dongle here, right where my finger is. I can't get it out. Oh, I can get it out. Just give me a second to find something to get it out. Use the fucking bottle opener to get this thing open. I'm trying to get this thing right here out. Come on. You guys got this thing. I guess you plug it into your computer and you can play games with that. So if you guys don't have Bluetooth on your computer, I don't have Bluetooth on my laptop, so this will be good for that. So that's a good place for it. I'm glad that's there. And you guys got the home button for whatever, and you guys got lights right here. I don't know if it has any charge or not. You guys have the charging port right there. It's a built-in battery. 500 milliamps, working current 30 mAh, and made in China, of course. It's not a bad little controller. I like it. It's not, I mean, it feels good in the hand. It's clicking buttons, you know. I would if I had an extra phone, I would show you guys what it looks like with the phone in there, but I don't have an extra phone to show you guys that right now. Well, maybe I do. Hold on. Get one of my old phones. I put in my old LG styler here. This phone does not work anymore, but we'll see what it looks like with the phone in it. Just give me a second. That's what it looks like with a phone in it, and you guys can move it. You guys can have it like this. You guys can tilt it back, and you guys can tilt it like that. So Y'all hasn't played Fortnite on stuff. Reason why I got this Bluetooth controller is because Epic Games has added control support for Fortnite Mobile, so that's why I got it, and I can now play Fortnite on my phone, and hopefully I'll get better at it. This is charging cable. It's Mercury USB charging, so do keep that in mind. You guys got the instructions here, which I'm gonna read this anyway. Read the English, so. Yeah, there it is, guys. The Raytan Bluetooth 3-in-1 Bluetooth controller. It feels nice in the hand. I mean, it's not the best controller out there, but you know, not too bad either, in my opinion. I mean, it's clicky buttons, you know. So there it is, guys. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It lets me out a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.